Vlogs.
Hi everyone!
Hello, MJ Vlogs.
MJ Vlogs.
Okay.
Hi MJ Vlogs.
Miss Sri Lanka.
Yes, hello. Did you like the show? Okay.
Thank you so much. O, diba?
Happy ka na?
I'm happy. Mag-watch back na lang po, ma'am. Oh, I'm so happy. Okay, we are going now to Central World with this people. Mga high space na tayo. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I'm with Fifi. Fifi, do you love me? Sawadee Cup. And ayun, nandito si Pia watch back sa Central World, Bangkok. So bahala na dira. Kahit may work bukas, nandito lang yan si Pia watch back kasi may roong show na celebration of silk. And hinahanap kami kung saan yung venue, guys. Good afternoon, guys. Where is the venue for celebration of silk? This way. Okay, thank you. Diba? Ito. Ito mo lang galito. Shit! Laghan ng tao. Excited ako kung makita si Pia. First time ko makita si Pia. Baga nila, 5 pa lang. Excited sila. Pia Alonso Porchback, Philippines. Also vlog.
Hello! Welcome to Thailand!
Sarap lang. Hello, this is Franklin. Ayan. Hello to my vlog. Ito yung ticket nila. Ayan. Philippines. Hi! Ang dagang mong kilala diri, oy. Ay, Nemyo. Oh, kilala mo. Dagang mga Pinoy. Ayan, hello. Here na sa venue. Sa Talampas, Pia watch back.
Namaste and Sawadee Ka, Thailand.
Miss USA, Miss Universe Airline. As in, dalang tao. Naka-outfit pag sa outfit ko.
Ito Pinoy mo yan.
Okay.
Hi MJ Vlogs.
Miss Sri Lanka.
Yes, hello. Did you like the show? Okay.
Thank you so much. O, diba?
Happy ka na?
I'm happy. Mag-watch back na lang po, ma'am. Oh, I'm so happy.
Oh, nasigaw, nangita doon.
A few moments later.
Tagal ni Pia.
Vlog ka ba? Nainip ka na ba?
Nainip talaga ako. Tapos si Pia mag-adjust. Charot. Tapos si Pia talaga mag-adjust.
Sobrang idol mo talaga si Pia.
Yes. Diba? Gaya na ako
Bakit mo siya idol?
Kasi same kami. 3 times siya na binibini ako, 3 times sa board exam. Tao ngayon, guys. Ayan.
Ito to ba? Ito to yung totoo ba?
Hi. Ayan. So, syempre, walang trip yung mga Pinoy. Walang trip yung mga Pinoy. Ayan.
A few moments later.
International Fashion Week, and this is the presentation by the Philippines, and we have Miss Universe 2015 in the house. นี่เป็นการเฉลิมฉลองผ้าไหมไทยโดยการเชิญดีไซเนอร์จากทั่วโลกนะครับมาผลิตงานสวยๆโดยใช้ผ้าไหมไทยครั้งนี้จัดขึ้นเป็นครั้งที่ 8 แล้วในการที่จะส่งเสริมผ้าไหมไทยสู่เวทีโลกนะครับผมวารินทร์ สัจเดลรู้สึกเป็นเกียรติอย่างยิ่งครับที่ได้รับหน้าที่พิธีกรในวันนี้นะครับ Excellencies, we are about to witness the creation by Oliver Tolentino, a Filipino-American designer who has boutiques not only in Manila but also in Beverly Hills, California. He has dressed over 75 Hollywood celebrities, going to the Academy Awards, Golden Globe, Oscars, Carrie Fisher, Carrie Underwood, Fergie, to name the few. But tonight, he's dressing up all the beauty queens, including Pia Alonso Woodsbach. Miss Universe 2015. Are we ready? Yeah! Let's hit it.
Hello, ka. Ano masasabi mo po? I'm very happy and excited. And the winner is... Ano ba mga lights? Ayun na yung mga lights. Di ba may mga pa-lights na si Leo? Ladies and gentlemen, Oliver Tolentino. Sa mag-anak ni Danny Tolentino.
Mahal.
Nagkaon na siya.
Ako mo, di ba? Ang ginang model.
Galing. Learn lang.
Ay! at least nagkita namin ng show ni Pia kanina. Tutong po kami sa kahintay kay Pia. Nainindihan kami. Joke lang. Ayan. So kasi yung daming fans ni Pia, guys.
Mas maganda yung pag-in-love tayo, di ba? Kung sino may nagmamasaya sa atin. Wala na.
Ano mo ba yan?
By the way, guys, single po ako. Pero siya,
No. Pero ako.
kasi iba talaga pag-in-love. Blooming.
Well, blooming.
Hi, ex.
Yan tapos si X.
Pero sa ex mo na nanloko sa iyo. Ay, hindi ako niloko. Basta kami.
Shout out to your X. I just want to order that 1 plus 1. I don't keep price.
Yeah, why not steal?
Tama na mag-English.
Just order the wrong one.
Yes. The wrong one. I will order the wrong one. Hello guys, I'm back and nakauwi na ako ng bahay. So, kanina guys, what happened earlier, hindi kami nakapag-picture kasi kay Pia. It's because ang daming Pinoy na nag-aabang, ang daming supporters nilang Pinoy, mga Thai din at ibang lahi pa. So, ang yung nangyari, akala namin sa likod siya dadaan sa backstage, pero ang daming nakaabang doon, so hindi siya pwede doon. So, sa front siya pala lumabas, kaya hindi namin siya naabutan. So, yun guys, so yung show, ang daming Pinoy, ang daming talagang supporters na pinaglasta, mga pageant, mga modeling, ganyan. Ang daming Pinoy kanina, parang nasa ano lang ako, parang nasa Pilipinas lang. So, yun guys, kaya siguro ang dami ding Pinoy sa Miss Universe kasi Thailand, ang daming Pinoy dito na nagtatrabaho, mga OFW like me. So, ang saya kanina guys, parang fulfilled na din na makita si Pia kasi she's one of my idol din in terms of pageant.